Let's talk about how we can switch columns and rows within Excel. So this is pretty simple. Here we have our example with some data. We have the student name, their grade percentage, and the rank in the class. So in order to switch rows with columns, you need to, or vice versa, you need to select the data you're looking to transpose. Go ahead and hit Control C or just copy that, and then you need to locate the place where you want to transpose or swap these rows and columns. In this case, we'll just choose this cell here, and if we right click and go over to paste options, we'll see this little transpose option here. If that's not available for you, you can go to paste special and then select transpose. Then hit OK, and that will transpose the data, swapping these columns into rows, and then all of this data transposing as so. Now you can do the same thing if I copy this, and then if I right click, go to transpose, it'll give you the other way as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.